Hello everyone, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel Belinda TV. Today I'm making a hair growth oil for my hair, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using: onions, garlic, ginger, cloves and aloe vera. So I'm going to go ahead and dice the remaining ingredients. This aloe vera, I got it from my garden at the back of the house. It's so full and healthy. So you're going to remove the sharp ends and dice it up. So guys, as you can see, I've diced the aloe vera, the garlic has been smashed and diced, also onions have been diced, and clove is out of the bag, and of course the vegetable oil. Yes guys, don't be shocked, I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice: olive oil, almond oil, any oil of your choice is fine. Coconut oil is fine, but I have vegetable oil in my kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. So you're going to empty it into a pan, a saucepan or any pan at all, or a pot, something that you're going to be able to heat on the fire. And you're going to take this saucepan to the heat and heat it on a very low heat. Don't use a high heat. You're going to end up frying the oil, and that's not going to be good for our hair since the nutrient has died. Using a very high heat is going to damage the oil. So here I've put everything into this pan, and we're going to gradually add the heated oil to it. It's advisable to put the cloves in first, then you put the other ingredients on it, because the cloves, it tends to like splash the oil too much when it's at the top. So put the clove down, then put the other ingredients on it, then you gradually pour your heated oil into the bigger pot, just as I'm doing. Please guys, you have to be very careful at this point. Do it gradually. So as this oil is boiling like this, the nutrients from all our ingredients is going to be coming out and getting infused into the oil, and you're going to let this sit for a few hours. I usually wait for 24 hours or even more. I wait till the next day. By this time the oil has slept again, the whole thing has saturated, and the whole ingredient has entered into the oil. That's what we need for our hair at this point. And now I'm going to take it back to the heat and heat it on a very low heat so that the oil can be light again, and then I'm going to go ahead and sieve it. When the oil is sieved, you can go ahead and start using your oil on your hair, concentrating on your scalp. If your main focus or your main goal is to gain length, to have more growth, I would advise you focus the oil on your scalp. Massage your scalp with this oil. Let the oil touch the root of your head, and use your hands to rub it into your scalp, and then the residues, the remaining one on your palm, you can now apply to the rest of your hair. So after I sieved it, this is how much oil I got, and trust me guys, this oil is so effective. I and my sisters, we use this oil and we can testify to the goodness of this oil. The oil is very effective. Be mindful of the oil, don't let it get in your eyes, because it's definitely